Going to open up another Donruss the Rookies pack out of this trash box we found in this baseball card shop inventory from the 90s. 1992 Donruss the Rookies. Let's see who we get here. Not a very big set, so should be a lot of duplicates in the whole box. Eric Young. Hey, speaking of, Pedro Martinez. Nice. Jeff McNeely. Blas Minor. Tom Goodwin, Ryan Hoblitzel, Pat Howell, Ruben Amaro, Jeff Grotwold, Butch Henry, John Hurst, Kevin Kozlowski. We'll take the top one off here. Can't just open one, right? Let's see what we got here. Dave Silvestri, Scooter Tucker, Bruce Walton, Kent Bottenfeld, J.T. Brewitt, Archie Cianfranco, Chad Curtis, Robert Aralt, Danny Leone, Billy Ashley, Brian Bohannon, and Rico Brogna. 1992 Donruss the Rookies.